Hello and welcome back to the SolidWorks Sketch Training Series. Today we will learn all curve tools inside the Ellipse menu. Ellipse, partial ellipse, parabola and conic curve. These tools are essential for the smooth product design and advanced sketching. Let's start. Open a new part here and here. Choose a plane. I choose front plane. As you know, SolidWorks needs a 2D plane to carry a sketch geometry. Go to ellipse menu here. Ellipse, partial ellipse, parabola and conic. Choose ellipse. First click the center. Next click the major axis and next click the minor axis here. Center, major axis, minor axis. Center, major axis, minor axis. We use this type of ellipse when designing ergonomic shapes, smooth curves, and revolve or sweep profiles. Next ellipse is partial ellipse. Here, partial ellipse. First click is the center. Next click is the major axis. Next click is the start point and next click is the end point. Center, major axis, start point of our curve and end point of this partial ellipse. Next one is parabola. A parabola creates a smooth mathematical curve based on a focus point and a vertex. First click is the vertex or the center of the parabola. Next click is the focus point. Next click is the start and end our parabola. The center of the parabola, the focus point, the start and end our curve. Next one is a conic. Conic curves allow you to create controlled curvature between 2 points with a constraint called rho, which defines the shape. Click the start point, the end point, drag shape the curve and adjust the rho value like that. Start, end, drag to shape the curve and define the rho value. So this is the session of ellipse. We speak about the ellipse, full ellipse, partial ellipse and two curve called parabola and conic. Bye bye till next session.